foot of snow, you think, already?
There was no snow this morning, and now look at our snowbank.
We got somebody that wiped out in front of our house here. Well, what do we got here, Bobby? We'll get you out of here, man. You got to be at the airport too, man?
Yeah.
Where are you flying out to?
Minnesota.
Oh my God, I don't think you're going to get there today.
Yeah.
Their airports are having problems.
Okay. Now we can go. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Well, we got you out, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right. Well, that was interesting, Eddie. Oh, we got a good 1.5 foot here. Well, we got blue skies ahead, though. The winds are what's probably the worst today. Roads are pretty clear.